2023 is yet to come. Have you planned how your 2023 should be? Have you planned how the journey of your 2023 should be? Hey there, it's Hari over here. So I'm your course creation specialist. So in this particular video, I'm going to share you the exact 5 things that you have to concentrate, you have to focus from your 2023 beginning. So let's quickly jump into this video. Before getting into this video, what I would like you want to do is, you may be watching this video at anywhere. It may be Instagram, or it may be Facebook, it may be YouTube. Just give the thumbs up button and just do share, and just share the comments what you feel. So let's get into the video. So I have some cool stuffs over here. What are the things that you have to follow in your 2023 starting? So I have 5 concepts over here. The first one is health. Why do I say health? See, we do even hear a lot of worse things about COVID is hitting again, and metropolitans are really panic, and Bangalore is still in trouble. Bangalore is in some kind of huge panic is there in Bangalore. So we do hear some lot of kind of these worst things even after COVID, after severe of COVID, right? So what is the main thing that even still you have to take as is your health? Your health is one of the most important thing and most valuable thing over here, apart from any of these the next 4 things that I would like to tell. Okay, I'm here to tell. So health is the most, see, what I really want you to do is just take just one step better about your health. Okay, just take one step to improve your health. Just take one most important thing to be healthy in your life. Okay, it may be eating, it may be stop eating your junk foods, it may be your exercises, it may be subscribing to a gym and just going to a gym and doing some workouts which stays you fit. So everything, okay. So you must take this as the biggest and most important resolution for as of this point of time. What is the second one over here? The second one is relationship. See, when it comes to relationship, I have some big concepts to share over this, but in this video I'll be completing this very short. When it comes to relationship, ask yourself, do you find some valuable time over there to look up your parents or look up your loved ones? It may be any of your loved ones. It may be friends, it may be a relationship, it may be your parents, it may be your grandparents, your children, your spouse or your husband, it may be anyone, okay. It may be any of your loved ones. See, when it comes to me, the ultimate purpose of our life, we do live, right? The ultimate purpose of we living is because of our relationships one. Okay, so to understand this, you must have a deeper level of understanding to understand this concept. So it's the exact truth why do we live in this world. Okay, so please have some time over to look about your loved ones, to have to spend some valuable time over with them. Okay, so what is the next one over here is, it's about wealth. See, when I say wealth, it's completely different from your business. It's not connected, it's wealth. Okay, see, you may earn a lot, you may do some awesome business and get some awesome money, you may be in a high level, but what is the wealth is? Wealth is something which is not between the business and it has some unique phases over these both too. Okay, so when it comes to wealth, always don't focus on just earning, focus on how you can manage your wealth. Okay, managing your wealth is the most important thing when it comes to wealth creation. Okay, there is some huge when you are at your 50s or at your 60s. If you are the person who is seeing this video, you may be at your 50s or 60s, but people who seeing this video maybe at the same time, people who are in your 20s or 30s, see, at some point of time, okay, it may be in your 50s or it may be in your 60s, you have to validate your wealth. Okay, it's not about what you do at that point of time, it's about how much wealthy you are. Okay, you can fix that issue. If it's not about you're born rich or you're born golden spoon, it doesn't comes in that way. Okay, so concentrate in your wealth, add more wealth as you can. So what is the fifth one over here is career. So when it comes to career, see, what I exactly want you to do is write a plan on your career or on your business, how you should be. at what level of your career you should be in your ending of your 2023. Okay, it really boosts you, it really pushes you from behind. So whenever you shut up, whenever you feel somewhat lack, so it will be pushing you from behind. Okay, so do those things, write those things where you want to be in 2023 ending, at which level you want to be in 2023 ending. Okay, so what is the fifth one over here? The fifth one is your mindset. See, I'm here to tell you these heavy concepts over here. So what I'm coming to tell you is, you can achieve these goals unless otherwise you set your mindset. Okay, mindset is the most important thing to achieve these four goals, to even focus. Okay, to even focus for these four things, your mindset is the most important thing, which is gonna help you from the surface level. Okay, so try to improve your mindset. Okay, always see, go and take some ideas about how your mindset should be, how you are really concentrated, how you should see your life in different perspective. Okay, so this is the exact thing that I want to share you in this particular video. So if you are in my community, see, I'm working to build my community, I'm working on my courses, I'm working on my memberships. So within short period of time, within 2023 January, I'm just gonna launch my product. So I hope you will support again. So this is the exact thing that I want to share you in this particular video. So wait for my product, it will be mind-blowing, and just do share. And again I'm repeating, do share and follow and subscribe and do support. Thank you. Bye bye.